Hello PIXERA community! In this small video we'd like to show you our newest invention, the new PIXERA Hub. The new PIXERA Hub focuses especially on managing your media server network. This means with the new PIXERA Hub you have the possibility to control remote access and even control which PIXERA version is installed on your remote system and which presence is running on your remote system. So let's have a look on it, how it looks. So as you can see, it looks quite different to the PIXERA Hub you already know. On the left side you can find all the instances which are available in the network, which means if your PIXERA client is running PIXERA Hub, then you can see it here on the left side. If you are now on the local system, in installs you can actually see all the PIXERA versions which are available. Under installs, you can find the install versions as the latest versions. You can find all install versions, those from 1.9, 1.8 and 1.6. If you want to find out which installers you have on your local system, you can choose installer, and in here you can find all your local installers. In the section online, you can find which versions are available online, and you can direct download it here and install it directly. So if I click on download, you can see that the downloading is starting. Of course, this only works if your computer is connected to the network or is connected to the internet. So as soon as I have a new installer on my system, I can immediately distribute it and install it on my remote clients. So in that case, for example, I'd like to install it on this PIXERA Mini and those two PIXERA Minis as well. As soon as I hit distribute, you can see that I send it over to my clients and it's automatically installed on all my remote systems. As soon as the new versions are installed on your clients, you can then select them here on the left side, and you can instantly see that the latest installed version on your client is 1.8.45, which we now already have installed. As you can see, you get directly the symbol of the presence, so whenever I click on this button, the presence is starting on my remote client. If I now click on the X here on the right side, the presence is closed down. If I want to start PIXERA as interface on my client, I can do that as well by just hitting the button here on the right side, and then you can find the settings Start PIXERA, Start Presence, and you can also add PIXERA to auto start or add presence to auto start on your remote client. If you run PIXERA Hub as administrator on your client system, then you also have the ability to show its dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see, for example, the CPU load, the GPU load and the RAM load. Furthermore, you can also see the drives which are available on the remote system and the used space and how much space is still available on your client. You also can directly change the IP address of your client's network port, but keep in mind, as soon as you change the IP address in here, you might lose the network control of your client. In the Manage section of your PIXERA Hub, you can find some interesting settings you can choose from. So for example, to start it as administrator, to enable dashboard. You also can change the paths for the PIXERA download versions, for the install folders. You can set if PIXERA should start on startup. And furthermore, you also have the possibility to start and close the VNC viewer on your remote system. In the Manage section of your remote client, you can find in Tools the VNC viewer. In here you can stop it, you can start it, and you can even change the password. If you set everything in here, you also have the ability to right-click here on the left side and connect via VNC Connect directly to your remote system. And as you can see, I'm now directly on my remote system. If I now, for example, being on that system, go to Install and click on 1.847, then I instantly start the presence here on my client. So as you can see, the new PIXERA Hub gives you the possibility to manage your multi-client setup directly from the master. If you want to play around with the new PIXERA Hub, just go to our website, download the beta version, and if you want to share feedback with us, just get in touch with us and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching this video and have fun playing around with the new PIXERA Hub.